So today's lab is going to explore the different ways that scientists are going to try and get a accurate or estimated population size. The first one is through sampling, and essentially they just are going to take a sample and estimate from there. So please answer the questions under technique 1. All right. Then we go down, and technique 2 is mark and recapture. Now, and under materials, it said you needed a brown paper bag or something you can't see through. What I did was actually have a see-through container, but I made the lid not see-through so that when I go in to grab my organisms, I can't see what I'm grabbing. But if you have a brown bag or something like that, that's great. Something to use as organisms. You could use your sister's beads, you know, whatever your, maybe you use for beads in your hair, or they make crafts with beads. You can use, I'm just using some dried beans that I had in my pantry. You can use marshmallows, anything. It would be really great though if you could even use potato chips or Cheetos or whatever. It really doesn't matter as long as you have about 100 of them that you can use, okay? Now, I want you to start the lab not knowing how many organisms you have in your container. So if you could ask your sister, brother, cousin, whoever to put at least 100, but they can put as many as they want into your container. So if you're using potato chips, just have them count out a number of over 100 and put it in your container, okay? They need to write that number down so they don't forget it, by the way, because you will need that number later. All right, so I am using, for our organisms here, I am using these white beans, all right? Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to kind of shake it up, it really doesn't matter, and I'm going to capture 10 of them. So this just means I'm removing 10, I'm going to put them here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is my first group that I have pulled out, okay? So first I need to do is I need to mark them. This is the mark of mark and recapture. So I am just going to use a Sharpie, or you can use a marker pen to put a mark on them that they have been captured. Okay, so I'm just marking them all with a little mark, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it over and do the same thing on the other side, okay? So that when I pull them out, I know that I have marked them, okay? So this is the marking ones. This is how many that I've marked. I've marked 10. It takes a little minute. These little buggers are... All right. Now I'm going to reintroduce my marked organisms back into the population. So in they go. All right, then I'm going to shake it up. And this time I'm going to, not looking, you can't see my face, but just trust me, I'm not looking. I am going to pull out 15 animals, okay, one at a time. But I didn't really do it one at a time because I'm too impatient for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so out of my 15, so the number I captured on your data table, you will write 15 because that's how many I captured. The number captured with a mark is 1. So that is trial number 1. I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to put them in here. I'm going to shake it up. I'm going to grab 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, and out of my 15 this time, I have 2 that are marked. So the number captured in trial number 2 is 15, and the number with a mark is 2. All right, back in again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my goodness, I got actually 15 on the first try. So here is my 15 again. Number captured on trial 3 is 15. Number marked is 2. All right, and we go again. One, two, three. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Things got out of hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, I pulled 15 out. The number that are marked is 2. That is trial number 4. 15 captured, 2 with a mark. And now I'm going to pull again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so I got 15 and I have 1 captured. So that is trial number 5. Now, our number captured total is we captured 15 each time. So essentially that's 15 times 5. So 15 times 5 is 75. So that is our total. Oops, y'all can't see that. Captured. And then our first trial, if I remember correctly, our first trial had 1, our second trial had 2, our third trial had 2, and our fourth and fifth each had 1. So that would be our total captured with a mark to be 7. All right. So if you look at the bottom of your sheet, you will see that there is a formula where you have to plug this in. So the formula says the number captured, that's this number, so number captured, times the number marked over the total captured with a mark. Now, remember the total we marked was the 10 at the very, very beginning. All right, so your formula looks like 75 times 10, because that's the number we marked, over 7. All right, so let's do a little math here. 75 times 10 is 750, divided by 7 is 107. So this is estimating that our total population size is 107. All right. Now I had actually 150 in my bag, or in my container. So as you can see, this isn't a very accurate representation. However, now what it's going to ask us to do is to continue and to do 5 more. So what I'm going to do, so first of all, you need to answer number 3, which is compare the actual to the estimate. And did you over or underestimate? Okay. And then you need to look at number 4. So we are going to do 5 more. This time I am not going to total the number. I'm not going to total the mark recaptured, and I'm not going to do this formula. You're going to do this on your own. And then you're going to answer question number 5. All right? So I'm going to continue with trial number 6 right now. Trial number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this guy, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16, oh shoot, I shouldn't have done 16. 15 and 1. All right, next. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, trial number 7, we pulled 15, we had 1 marked. That's number 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, again, we captured 15. We got 1. Just so you don't think I'm not shaking it up. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 and 1 again. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? 15 and 1 again. I'm sensing a pattern. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is 15 and 2. That's our last trial. So now it's up to you to go in and add them all up from the first trial all the way to the last. So in your total, in your chart, your second chart should be 150 trials, or numbers captured each time is 150 total because we did 15 each time. And then you need to add up the number marked and recaptured all the way from the first trial. Then go back and do that math problem that we did, and you will come up with a different number than you did the first time. And then you need to answer question number 5.